work the same or even greater miracles right here in every church. Tonight is your night.
Hi, I'm Reinhard Bonk here, and I want to invite you to come to our impartation breakfast in Tampa, Florida. I want to personally pray for you because I believe the Lord is going to give you something fantastic. Please go to our website or call the number on the screen. I would be blessed to see you there. Until then, God bless.